Deep within the heart of the rainforest, where towering trees stretch toward the sky and sunlight filters gently through a curtain of leaves, a remarkable story unfolds. It is the story of two small yet powerful forces of nature, the birds of the forest, and the bees among the flowers. From the very first light of dawn, the forest awakens with a chorus of sound. Birds fill the air with melodies, some sweet and musical, others sharp and warning. But these calls are more than just beautiful songs. They are a language of survival, of communication, of love. Some songs announce territory, others warn of danger, while many are gentle invitations to attract a mate. Every morning, the forest becomes a living symphony, orchestrated by hundreds of different species. Yet birds are not just singers of the forest, they are its engineers. Many feed on fruits, carrying seeds inside their bodies as they travel from tree to tree. When the seeds fall to the ground, new life begins to grow. In this way, birds are the guardians of regeneration, planting the next generation of the forest without even knowing it. Predatory birds, too, have their role. They keep insect and rodent populations in check, maintaining balance in a world that could easily tip into chaos. Each species, no matter how small, has a job to do. And together, they weave the threads of harmony that hold the forest together. But while the birds soar high above, another nation is at work closer to the ground, quieter, smaller, yet no less vital. It is the nation of bees. With wings that beat thousands of times per minute, bees fly tirelessly from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen. What seems like a simple act is, in fact, one of the greatest miracles of the natural world. Through pollination, bees ensure that plants can reproduce, that fruits can grow, and that the forest can continue to breathe. Inside the hive, an extraordinary society exists. Thousands of individuals, each with a purpose. Workers venture out to gather food, guards protect the entrance, and at the very center, the queen gives life to the next generation. Every bee understands its role with perfect precision. Nothing is wasted, nothing is random. Together, the bees keep the heartbeat of the forest alive. This is where the connection between birds and bees becomes truly profound. Birds spread seeds that grow into trees and flowering plants. Bees pollinate those flowers, allowing them to thrive. The flowers, in turn, provide food for both species. It is a cycle of cooperation, a partnership that sustains the richness of the ecosystem. Season after season, this balance continues. During the rains, when blossoms appear in abundance, bees work at their peak. In drier months, birds search deeper into the canopy for food and water, while still playing their vital role in seed dispersal. Nature adjusts, shifts, and adapts, always in harmony. But today, this ancient balance is under threat. Deforestation reduces the habitats of birds. The heavy use of pesticides weakens bee colonies. Without bees, flowers would vanish. Without birds, seeds would not spread. And without both, the forest, the lungs of our planet, would begin to fade. The message is clear. Birds and bees are not just ordinary creatures. They are symbols of balance, reminders that even the smallest beings carry the weight of the Earth's survival. They teach us that cooperation, diversity, and respect for every life form are the keys to existence. So the next time you hear the song of a bird echoing through the forest, or see a bee hovering gently over a blossom, remember this truth. Our lives are tied to theirs. Their survival ensures our own. The forest is speaking to us, in melodies and in whispers. It asks us to protect, to preserve, and to cherish. For only then will the eternal symphony of nature continue, the symphony of birds and bees, playing in harmony with the earth itself.